Hi, I'm Jamie Hunt, CEO of Anzor. We have the widest range and the largest stock of stainless fasteners and fittings in New Zealand. That means that as soon as you need a ton of timber construction screws, it's right here on our shelves. We've been supplying fasteners fast for over 30 years, and we're 100% New Zealand owned and operated. Our Anzor timber construction screws have been extensively tested and are now in the CLT Toolbox. These screws are designed for maximum holding power. They feature a Torx drive for positive engagement and asymmetric thread that grips tight without splitting the wood. Sword teeth and tri-core nibs ensure a clean, smooth entry. Enjoy fast, strong and reliable fastening. No hassle, just quality performance. These screws are European Technical Assessment certified and fully compliant with the New Zealand Building Code and BPIR. With high corrosion protection, these timber construction screws are available in 304 stainless and nanogalv and are perfect for heavy duty applications. At Anzor, we don't just sell screws, we offer complete fastening solutions on time, every time, so that you can deliver results. With New Zealand's largest stock of fasteners, we eliminate delays to help speed up your installations and ensure you get the job done right the first time.
So if you want to work faster,
smarter,
and with total confidence, check out Anzor timber construction screws in the CLT Toolbox. Let's build something great together.